Hey guys, my name is Jon Barton. I'm going to give you a really quick rundown on how to do a wheelie. So first thing, you want yourself in a low enough gear to be able to pop yourself up with your pedal pressure and leaning back a little bit. What you're going to want to do first is get yourself up by pedaling and then learn how to jump off the back of the bike. I'm going to do that really quick. So get yourself up with pedal and learn how to get right back off. That'll help you know how far you need to go to get to the balance point. The next step after you mess around with that for a while is learning how to feather the back brake. So the back brake is what's going to keep you on the balance point and keep you from falling back. So once you get up to your balance point, you're going to put a bit of back brake pressure that'll keep you up here without falling back, and if you start to fall forward, more pedal pressure to keep yourself up. So it's a little tricky balance point thing. It takes some figuring out. Every bike's a little bit different. It should look like this. So make sure you subscribe to Anthony, like the video, comment, all that good stuff. Really helps us out. Thanks.